Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Oh my goodness, so this bag arrived today. I can't wait to unbox it because it's been something it's a bag that I've wanted for some time, and yes, this is pre-loved. So let me just fast forward to the unboxing. Okay, so I've done all the noisy bits. Oh, I'm amazed it can fit in such a box that's not that thick, something not that wide. No, wide isn't the right word. But this is I bought this from a local shop. When I mean local shop, it's still in Australia but a different state, and it is a consignment shop but also a bag spa. And this bag needed a little bit. I did ask, since it's a bag spa, I asked if they could also, in addition to, spying it for me a little bit, because there was a bit of scuff. And so, of course, for a small fee, they said they could. Here we are. Oh my goodness. It's a novelty bag. Oh my god. It's not huge, but it's very cute. Wait. Can you guess? Oh my god. This bag really reminds me of one of my trips. My goodness, it's very well packaged. I wonder how they did that. So noisy. But yes, it's very well packed. Let's see, but you guys can already see, right? Okay, so invoice. It's the Loewe Panda Bag. Oh my goodness. So the nose area had a little bit of a scuff, so it needed to be fixed up, and they sort of they fixed it up really nicely. I don't think I have a photo of the scuff part, but comes with a long crossbody strap. Oh, okay. So the face part, I can put my finger in it. It's not like filled with sponge or anything like that. So I guess that means that it can be a little compartment for maybe a coin pouch. You can stuff like a coin pouch in the head. Oh my goodness. So it's so cute. The leather smell. Oh my goodness. And Loewe uses fantastic leather, and this is about 10 years old, but the condition, so it wouldn't have been used much, and I wouldn't think so for a small bag. Yeah, probably not one of those daily wear bags. And oh my gosh, it's so cute. And the zip sounds, listen to it, it's so smooth. And yeah, as you have seen my panda video from a few months back, I'll link it down below. They have like a little stubby tail, but this one doesn't have it. But it's so cute. Leather line, dark leather. And this one, long crossbody strap, and it has a little Loewe sort of I think because it's this button, yeah, so it can be shortened. But I would like to wear it as a long crossbody kind of, configuration. And here we are. Let's put it on. Okay. No, wait, it has to go like that. All right. Yes, so the one thing about Loewe, this kind of clasp, no, I do like this sort of parrot clasp, but it doesn't have that swivelly section on there. So that's one thing about Loewe clasp. So I think it needs to go this way. Is that right? No, I think I need to clasp it the other way so that so that this part is on the outside when I wear the bag. All right, here we go. I think that's right. Am I right? Oh, good. Look, there's a strap keeper for this extra long bit, which I think I didn't get the strap, the clasp right. But how do I do? Oh no, yeah, that's right. This is correct. This way. Okay. Oh my goodness, it's so cute. And okay, so I put it on. It's like this. And when I was in China in April, I bought this cute little thing, and I think they'll go so well together. A panda bag charm, and there's a perfume smell to it. It's so cute, look. And I can switch it around, and it's the red panda on the other side. Isn't that like adorable? Yes, very adorable, right? Ooh. But we can, of course, I can do like this. Oh my god, look, the panda face is in the butt. It's so cute. I can like pair it together like that. Oh my gosh, yes. Oh, you know, in China, in Sichuan actually, where we were, where was all the pandas. See, panda actually have a little stubby tail. Pandas, but their tails are generally white, not black. Oh my god, so cute, right? So anyway, I was saying there is celebrity panda in China. It's very famous. This very famous panda called Hua Hua. But the panda conservation center that we went to is not the one where Hua Hua was, but it's the one where there's like the red pandas like roaming around. So Hua Hua, yeah, I will try to link some video for you guys to see. Like Hua Hua is like very rotund in shape, and she's become a celebrity panda. Everybody wants to go to the giant panda conservation center to see her because she really likes to eat apples. But I think she's just very cute. Yeah. Okay, so I think, oh my goodness, yes, and I was wearing this a lot, and this one it's torn. It needs a repair, so I'm going to have to like repair this bit before I how should I do this? Yeah, I think I have to cut a little bit of ribbon and then like sew it down so that I can hang this part. But my goodness, right? So cute. And with this panda, I think I can dress her up or it up. I don't know. Maybe this can be Hua Hua. But I don't know. The head is a bit too small. Hua Hua's head is very big and round. I can dress something up. I'm going to find something and dress this bag up, like maybe like a gold color or something, like a red color to go with it. Oh my goodness, it's so cute. Okay, so I mean, yeah, and then the Loewe, there's a serial number here. Oh no, it's not. It's made in Spain. There is a serial number somewhere here, and then the Loewe, you know, stamping. Let me find it. I did see it sort of half obstructed while I was, you know, looking at the listing. Okay. So it's not a huge bag, right? But, you know, my folding sunglasses is going to fit in it really easily. That's one thing good about folding sunglasses. But I'll need to get like a, get the case with it, or like I can just put it in like a drawstring pouch, and I'll be able to say I'll have a pouch here with like say lip balm and eye drops. So I'll be able to put this in here, and I won't be able to put my whole card holder, my whole wallet. It's going to have to be like a card holder. Hold on for a second. let's just say my Mulberry card holder, little mini purse thing that I can also put coins or some spare cash in here. This will be able to go in, or like the cards will just go in. Yes. And oh, and we did say I can stuff the sunglasses in the head. And then the phone can just slide into the side, yeah, here. So while I don't have, because I'm using my phone as filming, so this little frame will have to do as a representation of my phone. So another YouTuber, Jax from Jack's Bag Attack, she has one as well, and I did manage to ask her to show me if it can fit a larger size phone, even though I have an iPhone mini 13, and yeah, she kindly showed it to me. So, and that made me confident in buying this little bag. Okay, oh my goodness, it's so cute, right? Oh, yes, it's such a novelty. I'm just trying to look around the place and see what I can put on it. You know, I was like thinking it can wear like a Chinese vest, but it would have to be able to open up here so that I can access my things. But anyway, let's do a mod shot quickly. Okay, so you can see, oh my goodness, I've hang this red panda on it. Oh, okay, so it's a bit long, it's past my hip. I think I would have liked it up here a little bit, but okay, this dress is not one, it's not a dress to be worn with a crossbody bag. It has to be worn either with a clutch. But yes, this panda bag, it's so cute. But apart from that, this dress is, the brand is Matichevsky, an Australian designer, and I've always wanted a Matichevsky dress, and I found this pre-loved in a local consignment boutique. But it's got these sculptural shoulders, and I've always wanted something from Matichevsky, and then this turned up in orange, mind you. And you know, orange, I love orange. So I'm just trying to adjust a bit. Yeah, so it's just got that sculptural look to it. Oh my goodness. And this zip that sort of asymmetrical on the side. So yes, this is my panda bag with the red panda bag charm. Oh my goodness, it's so cute. Two of them together. Wow. All right. See? Oh, it's so cute. It's so cute. It's so cute. Okay, well, anyway, thank you for watching, everyone. We'll see you in the next video. Bye.